Welcome to the trade table. Today we are going to discuss insert title The Disadvantages of Mini-Split Systems. We'll be taking a look at the cons of mini-split systems. We'll cover some disadvantages of mini-split systems related to installation and repair costs. Increased installation and setup costs. The price of installation and setup is one of the biggest downsides of the mini-split system. When installing, it is usually necessary to lay pipes between the outdoor unit and the indoor unit. This can be expensive. You may also want to hire an experienced plumber and electrician to do the job. Repair and maintenance. The prices associated with composure and maintenance are another viable problem of mini-device systems. It is viable that you should communicate with a technician to repair the device if something goes wrong. Balancing and noise issues with mini-split systems. It is essential to take into account the measure of the rooms and ensure that the system is powerful enough to correctly adapt the air in each room. Another problem is that there will be outdoor condenser and corresponding indoor heads that correspond to cool and heat different spaces. By installing a mini roof separation, you should take into account your potential damages on your roofs. Limitations of ceiling micro-split systems. The primary limitation of micro-separation systems from the ceiling is that they have to hang from the ceiling. This can be a fundamental problem if it places a micro-roof separation in an old house with fluctuating ceilings. Difficulty heating or cooling large spaces. A 3-ton central air conditioning system may be used to cool a standard 1,800 square foot. A ductless mini-split typically has a starting cooling capacity of about 9,000 BTU. A typical largest model's cooling capacity is 36,000 BTU. A typical 1,800 square foot home comprises 3 bedrooms, each with a floor size of about 150 square feet. The required cooling capacity for a 150 square foot room is typically between 400 and 5,000 BTU, which equates to 1 micro-split per bedroom. Thanks to its variable speed compressor, a typical 9,000 BTU mini-split may run at a cooling capacity ranging between 400 BTU and 10,000 BTU. Therefore, 5 micro-splits are already required for an 1,800 square foot home. You need more micro-splits if your home has more rooms. So, if you pick a duct kind where you may divide it between 2 to 3 rooms, the more rooms you have, the smaller splits you'll need. Naturally, the purchase, installation, and maintenance of additional tiny splits will be more expensive. Mini-split systems are, therefore, not recommended for large buildings. Factors affecting consistency of BTU output in mini-split systems. Ventilation. Mini-splits rely on air exchange between indoor and outdoor units to cool or heat the room. That means that the space in which they're placed needs proper circulation and intake of outside air. Size. The larger the area, the more BTUs are necessary for adequate cooling and heating, and if you need too many BTUs, then it's not practical for a mini-split system as its output is limited. Temperature extremes. In some climates with extreme temperatures, very small mini-splits may not be possible to keep up with demand, even with proper ventilation in place. Cons of mini-splits. Is it worth the investment? They tend to be more expensive initially than traditional systems, and some of the higher-end models require professional installation, typically limited to 2 or 3 zones. Finally, they are comparatively loud, which can be an issue in quieter environments. Choosing the right mini-split system for your home and budget. Mini-split systems can be an excellent option for homes with limited space and budgets. By carefully considering the pros and cons of each type of mini-split system. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this content, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you're looking to buy a mini-split, be sure to check out thetradetable.com, the best mini-split resource online. Have a great rest of your day.